Hi team, so we're now going to move into exercise 4.3. So this is again a little bit of a review, so it should be pretty easy. We've done this kind of thing in IGCSE before. It's tree diagrams, sometimes with sampling with replacement, sometimes not replacing. So just to remind yourselves, you know those kinds of questions where I have 3 red beads in the bag and 2 yellows, and I take one out without replacing it. I then take another one out. What is the chance that I get, say, 2 yellows or something like that? So those kinds of questions, I suggest strongly that you look at the 2 examples that are in the book on page 77 and 78. But I'm going to do a question with you now from exercise 4.3. We're going to look at number 2. This is page 79. So here we have a gym, and 60% of the members of the gym are men. So 60% men, obviously therefore 40% women. Well, I don't know if it's obvious, but it's obvious for us. 40% men. And of the men who use the gym, 1/3 of them use the gym at least once a week. Which obviously means that 2/3 don't. Okay, and 3/4 of the women use the gym at least once a week. And that obviously means that 1/4 don't. So what we're being asked here is we're choosing a member of the gym at random, and we're going to find the probability that, first of all, it's a man who does not use the gym at least once a week, and secondly, that it's a person who uses the gym at least once a week. So for this kind of thing, it's probably best to draw a tree diagram. So we'll start off by our first 2 options. Man, woman. Chance of a man is 60%, because 60% of the club is going to be male and 40% female. So at this point, we've got our first branch, and now we're going to divide up the men into those who will say use the club, we'll call it U, and the chance that a man uses it is 1/3 of all the men, and the chance that a man does not use it, so we'll say NU, not use, is 2/3, and we'll do the same for the women. So the chance that a woman uses it is 3/4, so we'll call that U, and 1/4 we'll call that not use. Actually, just looking at this, I might at this point decide to use 4/10 here, and 6/10, maybe I'll keep it in fractions. It's not the end of the world. Okay, now the first thing is we are looking at a man who does not use the gym at least once a week. So a man who does not use the gym at least once a week, man does not use the gym at least once a week. So we're talking about this branch here. So to find the probability of that branch, we're going to go 6/10 multiplied by 2/3. We can simplify this, can't we? We don't need a calculator, do we, Ishan? So 1, 2, okay, and we can simplify here as well. 1, 2 is 2, and 5 lots of 2 make 10. So this is going to be 2/5, or we could say 0.4. Then the second part of the question, B, what is the probability that the random person you pick is a person who uses the gym at least once a week? So that means it could be a man who uses the gym once a week, or it could be a woman. So we need to look at both of these probabilities. I hope this read is coming through nice and clear. So this branch is going to be 6/10 times 1/3, and again we could simplify this, and 2/10 is going to be our answer, or we could say 1/5. I'll just leave it as 2/10 for now, and then we're going to work through this branch. So this is 4/10 multiplied by 3/4. We can simplify that down, and so we'll end up with 3/10. And therefore, in total, the chance that we're going to get somebody who uses the gym at least once a week is going to be this plus this, which is obviously 5/10 or 1/2. Hope that helps. Ask me any questions you have with the rest of the exercise.